In this Elementor tutorial video, I'm going to show how to reduce the text size or width in Elementor WordPress. As you can see over here, this is the text and it takes up the full width, content width of the container. And you see that there is a video below the text, this text, and this text is same size or width as the video. But what I want to do, I want to reduce the width of this text only, not the video. So in order to do that, what you can do, we can click on this text over here. Then you see the content over here. Then simply go to advanced. And over here, you see width. I'm going to click on this drop down and choose custom. And you can have it like a percentage like this. Or what you can do, you can choose a specific width called pixels. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make it 800 pixels. 800, something like this, 827 pixels. And you can easily align this text simply by clicking on these options over here, align self. If you click on the start, it will align to the left. If you click on end, it will align to the right. And if you click on center, it will align to the center. And this is after you make the changes, you simply click on publish, and it will publish these changes over here. Great. And after these changes are published, you'll see that this text, you see these changes are published. If I go to the front end, this is the width of the text. If I click on refresh, you see the text width has been reduced. And so this is how easily you can reduce the size or width of text in Elementor WordPress. So I hope that this video helped you out, and if it did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.